Hi guys, in this video I'll share with you all step-by-step recipe of how I prepared this lovely ginger garlic fried rice using simple veggies that you can find anywhere. So please watch this video to the end. So guys, these are the key ingredients I'm using to cook this food. Here is kidney beans, but I won't be adding it. Reason because I always soak kidney beans night before the day to use it to cook. Okay, so this is ginger, garlic, and spicy pepper, the yellow, red, and green pepper you see. I love adding spicy pepper to my fried rice because I don't like when fried rice is boring. So this is bell pepper, green bell pepper, and green beans. Okay, and I also have chopped onions. So my darlings, I'm going to let you enjoy watching this video while I write the rest explanations via captions. Okay, so please enjoy watching this video and please give it a big thumbs up while you watch. To my new viewers, you're welcome to Becky the Mommy's YouTube channel. Please, I would love you to be part of the family by subscribing to my channel. Okay, I will appreciate you if you do that for me. Okay, please join the family, hit the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss each time I drop a new video. Now enjoy watching to the very end. Guys, at this point the rice was perfectly cooked and ready. Look at the smoke. Oh my goodness, you guys, this rice was so tasty. And here I'm dishing the rice for my older daughter's teachers and minders. Yes, it was her 5th birthday that I made this lovely rice. Okay, you guys would definitely be seeing the birthday vlog she celebrated in school. I just thought to share this lovely rice recipe separately, and I hope you enjoyed watching.